Replacing a door is a significant home improvement project that can enhance your property's curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. However, the process involves more than simply choosing a new door and installing it. Many homeowners in Jennings make common mistakes that can lead to frustration, additional costs, and even safety concerns. To help ensure your door replacement goes smoothly, here are some common mistakes to avoid. Choosing the wrong door style. One of the most common mistakes people make when replacing a door is choosing the wrong style. While aesthetics are important, functionality should be prioritized based on the door's location. For instance, a front door should offer both curb appeal and security, while a back door might require more focus on ease of use or weather resistance. Ensure that the door fits the architectural style of your home and complements other features like windows, trim, and the overall facade. Incorrect measurements. Accurate measurements are crucial when replacing a door. One of the most frustrating mistakes homeowners make is failing to measure the door frame properly. If the new door doesn't fit the existing frame, the project will likely become more expensive and time-consuming, as it may require resizing the frame or door. Be sure to measure the height, width, and depth of the opening, taking into account any existing trim or moldings. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to call in a professional to handle the measurements for you. Neglecting energy efficiency. When replacing your door, many homeowners overlook energy efficiency. Old doors can be a significant source of heat loss in your home, leading to higher energy bills. Modern doors are designed with insulation and energy-efficient features such as weather stripping, insulated cores, and low-E glass. Choosing a door that's energy efficient is an investment in your home's comfort and long-term savings. Be sure to ask about the energy performance ratings of any doors you're considering. Skipping professional installation. While DIY projects can be rewarding, installing a door is not the time to take shortcuts. Incorrect installation can lead to gaps, improper sealing, and even door misalignment, which can compromise both security and energy efficiency. Even if you've ordered a high-quality door, a poor installation job can render it ineffective. Hiring a professional ensures that your door is installed correctly, saving you from costly repairs down the line. In Jennings, local contractors are familiar with the area's weather conditions and can ensure that your door is installed to withstand the local climate. Overlooking security features. Security is a top priority when choosing a door, especially for external doors. Many homeowners make the mistake of choosing a door for its looks alone, without considering how secure it is. Ensure your new door is equipped with a high-quality lock system, reinforced hinges, and a durable door material. Some doors come with enhanced security features like multi-point locking systems or security glass, providing an added layer of protection for your home. Forgetting about the door frame. While it's easy to focus on the door itself, don't forget about the door frame. If the frame is damaged, rotting, or warped, it could affect how well your door functions, leading to issues such as difficulty opening and closing, poor insulation, or security risks. When replacing your door, take the time to inspect the door frame thoroughly. If necessary, replace or repair it before installing the new door. This ensures that the door operates smoothly and remains secure for years to come. Not considering maintenance. Some homeowners select doors that look appealing initially but fail to consider long-term maintenance needs. Certain door materials require more upkeep than others. For example, wooden doors may need regular sealing or staining to maintain their appearance and prevent weather damage, while fiberglass or steel doors are generally low maintenance. When selecting a new door, consider how much time you are willing to invest in maintaining it. Choosing a door that matches your lifestyle will save you effort and potential repair costs in the future. Underestimating the importance of weather resistance. Jennings, like many areas, can experience extreme weather conditions. Whether it's heavy rain, intense heat, or chilly winters, your door should be able to withstand the local climate. Opting for a door that is weather resistant is essential to avoid issues such as warping, swelling, or fading. Ensure the door material is suitable for your climate and includes features such as weather stripping, proper insulation, and water-resistant finishes. Conclusion. Replacing a door is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as choosing the wrong style, neglecting energy efficiency, and skipping professional installation, you can ensure that your new door provides both functionality and aesthetic appeal for years to come. Whether you're replacing an old door or upgrading to a more secure and energy-efficient option, taking the time to make informed decisions will result in a successful and rewarding home improvement project.